Hi, I'm Miss Allen, and we're going to go over the first 5 notes that you'll learn when you play the euphonium. Now get your euphonium or your baritone or whatever you call it and play along. Now euphoniums are really cool because they can be played in both treble and bass clef. If you play the trumpet and are learning the euphonium, then you can read the treble clef euphonium parts. If you already play a bass clef instrument, then you should play the bass clef euphonium parts. If this is your first instrument, then I recommend learning the bass clef parts. For this video, I'm going to show you the bass clef notes. The first note we're going to learn is F. F is on the 4th line of the bass clef staff. F is an open note, which means we're not going to press down any of our valves. F sounds like this. If you don't get F, you might get B flat. B flat is on the 2nd line of the bass clef. To get the note to come out higher pitched, try tightening the corners of your mouth and blowing more focused air. The next note we're going to learn is E flat. E flat is on the 3rd space of the bass clef staff. To play E flat, we're going to press down our first valve. E flat sounds like this. Remember to sit up tall and take a deep breath and keep your air moving while you play. Our 3rd note is D. D is on the 3rd line of the bass clef staff. To play a D, we're going to press down our 1st and 2nd valves together. Here's D. We're on to our 4th note, C. C is on the 2nd space of the bass clef staff. To play a C, we're going to press down our 1st and 3rd valves together. C sounds like this. Remember to keep a steady stream of air moving through the instrument. I like to think of my air like a laser beam going through the instrument. Have you noticed that the notes are getting lower? Our last note is one we actually already learned, B flat. B flat is on the 2nd line of the bass clef staff. B flat is an open note, so we won't press down any valves. B flat sounds like this. Now let's start on F and go down 1 note at a time. Now let's start on B flat and go back up. Congratulations! You've learned the first 5 notes on the euphonium. Now take your euphonium out and practice these notes every day. The more you practice, the easier it'll become. And remember to do your best. Your best is always better than you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.